After weeks of turbulence, the markets are finally showing signs of recovery, and a lot of it has to do with the latest developments in the ongoing US China trade conflict. Just recently, we saw President Trump announce a 90-day pause on new tariffs, giving global investors a glimmer of hope that tensions might cool off, at least temporarily. This move has been interpreted as a potential opening for negotiations between Washington and Beijing, and traders are responding quickly. Stocks are rallying across the board, led by tech giants and sectors that were previously hit hard, especially electric vehicles and semiconductors. These are industries that rely heavily on global supply chains, particularly with China, and the pause signals some breathing room. But what does this really mean? Investor confidence is clearly bouncing back, and we're seeing money flow back into risk assets. At the same time, consumer sentiment is slightly improving, and inflation fears, while still present, have eased a bit as commodity prices begin to stabilize. Analysts are starting to talk about a short term bull run, and we might be entering a phase of cautious optimism, especially if talks between the US and China begin to make meaningful progress. Still, it's too early to call this a true turnaround. The underlying economy remains fragile. Supply chains are still strained, borrowing costs are high, and uncertainty remains around future policy decisions. One unexpected tariff, sanction, or policy misstep could send the markets tumbling again. So, while today's recovery is encouraging, it's also a reminder of how reactive the market has become to geopolitical decisions. Here's my take. In the short term, we'll likely see continued upward movement if both countries hold off on further escalation and inflation data keeps cooling. But in the long term, we need to stay cautious. This isn't just about tariffs. It's about a broader shift in how global trade is structured and how political agendas shape the economic landscape. So, enjoy the green in your portfolio today, but stay sharp, stay informed, and don't get too comfortable. We're still walking a tightrope. This is What's Happening, breaking down the world economy so you don't have to. Like and subscribe for more real updates without the noise, and comment what you think about it.